Here's a quick look at your budget page. If you follow the cursor, I'll walk you from the top to the bottom. At the top, you'll find your cost center name, and the person responsible for the cost center. As you go down through the lines, you'll find lines that are in a gold color, which represent each of the cost center lines of your budget. In this case, using reading as the example, you'll see equipment, books and instructional, dues and subscriptions, and capital outlay equipment. You'll notice that at the top there are a series of columns. What you'd be expected to do is provide as much detail as possible. So for instance, let's look at equipment. If I put in a computer cart and it is $3,000 and we're going to buy one of them, it will automatically calculate the total cost. Very important, what I need to do here for every fiscal 14 cost is put in an X. And once I do, it will automatically give an equipment subtotal. Now this $3,000 will add to all of the other yellow boxes under the other cost center lines that I referred to. And you'll get a total at the bottom. Now you'll notice that there are columns here in gray for fiscal 15, 16, and 17. It is not necessary for you to fill those in. If you'd like to, go right ahead. They will not be calculated in this year's budget, but you can use it for future reference. Crystal and Wendy have protected some of the cells and some of the lines to avoid any mistakes, people deleting things unintentionally. And some cells are, of course, unprotected for you to fill in. Now you'll notice at the bottom here there are three tabs. The first tab is for fiscal 14. It's blank. For fiscal 13, you'll see it says 32 FY14. That means Cost Center 32, fiscal 13. You click on that, and you will find what was submitted last year for this cost center. It's there for you as a reference. And then the third tab, this is what Edna uses in the business office to tabulate all of the results. Now you remember that $3,000 I put in equipment back here? Well, here it is automatically populating on this screen. This third tab is totally protected. This is not a page that you would work on. But for every change that you make here, if I change this to 3,500, you'll notice everything changed to 3,500, and now it changes on the budget page. So this is an efficient way of recording your budget information. So again, to summarize, you provide all the detail, build the budget you want, itemize the cost, it'll automatically populate, and that will allow you over the next 6 weeks to produce an accurate first proposed budget, and the process will move forward from there. If you have any questions, please let me know.